This 2025 Dutchmen Astoria Half-Ton 260RK is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Egg Harbor City, New Jersey 08215 and is offered for sale by White Horse RV Center. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Dutchman is 30 feet 11 inches in length and features sleeps 4, oven, external shower, awning, skylight, smoke detector, slide-out, stovetop burner, spare tire kit, air conditioning, refrigerator, and 44 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features rear kitchen. The unloaded weight of this 2025 Dutchmen Astoria Half-Ton 260RK is 8,280 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.